In-office facial treatments that don't involve microchanneling and skin rejuvenation really comes down to about four basic things: hydration, home care, hygiene, and hormones. So, what can we take care of in office? Obviously, I can't change your hormones with something topical. So, if you are getting a breakout through here, that's usually going to be hormonal. And if you have changed birth control or something like that, you might want to check that. And that's something that you're going to need to talk to your doctor about. That's not something that we can change topically. That's going on internally. So we can take care of some of the symptoms, and it's going to be similar to some of the things that you go through as a teenager, some of those hormonal changes that will cause acne then. So we sometimes get those later in life as well. When we are talking about hygiene, we want to make sure that everything is staying clean. So I've had people that have come to me and said, can you help my teenager with their breakouts? And if they're not practicing proper hygiene and proper home care, then I can do what I can do in office, but honestly, I'm going to cause them a lot more pain than what they probably need to be in. And there are some simple things that they can do at home to control their hygiene and make sure that their home care is reflecting what they need to come out in their face. So those are some things to think about there. And then, of course, hydration. Almost everything goes back to hydration. We are so dehydrated overall. The air quality, as well as we will pick caffeine-filled drinks, and hey, I have coffee every day, so I'm not going to fault you on that one. But do make sure that you are drinking enough water also, because as we dry the skin out, what will happen a lot of the time, people will think that they are too oily, and so they continue to try to dry out that skin. And you are tricking your body a lot of the time into thinking that it needs to create more oil then. So these are things that you want to talk to a skincare professional about. Don't just go on Facebook and ask people, what did you do? What works for you? Because you're a different biological human being. Not everybody is the same. Not everybody has the same skin type. So there are a lot of things that go into play there. I know that we all go through a lot of the same things at different times in our life. Hormonal changes when we're teenagers, when we get older, birth control, all of these things that come into play. However, you want to make sure that you are talking to somebody about your personal experience with your skin, the foods you eat, everything else comes out there. It's the largest organ in your body, and it all shows up. Stress shows up in your skin. The foods you eat show up in your skin. So make sure that you are talking to a skincare professional and not just going on Facebook and randomly asking what everybody's doing, who's going to tell you to put coconut oil on your face and then Burt's Bees and whatever. All right, let's just leave that where it is. So make sure that you are practicing proper home care, hydration, taking care of your hormones with your doctor, and also proper hygiene. If you have questions about this, let me know. I do use professional products here in-house, and we can get you on a regimen that is easy and works for you and will have you glowing in no time. So I hope you find some solace in that with Solace Body Solutions.